Hi, we bought the brand new bore for 350 which has a date and a serial number which is like 2512 4th of December 2025 with the serial number, and looks pretty much, but the only thing what I don't understand is that there is no expansion slit in between. So I hope that this piston will be like tempered or forged metal, hard enough to withstand the expansion. And the clearance is also pretty much very good. Pistons is sliding hard enough inside, and it has a very good suction also. I hope this will get the work done according to our understanding. And the guide on pin, the distance pin, is also good in clearance, not too free like dangling, not a snug fit, but yes, it is very smooth sliding in and out.